Hey guys, this is Josh. I'm excited to quickly show you an exciting tool called Nily. It's an all-in-one AI assistant that helps you use AI wherever you browse on the web. Let me show you how I personally use it. First up, the Compare LLM feature. It's awesome for when you want to write a prompt and get answers from all the major LLMs, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, Claude, and many more at once. Let me show you in practice. Now, for example, I am going to ask how I can improve my writing skills. There we go. I've got answers from all the major LLMs at once, and now I can compare and choose the one I like most. Next, let's talk about content creation. If you're active on LinkedIn, you'll love the post and carousel generators. They make creating engaging content a breeze. Just enter your topic and boom, you've got a compelling post or carousel ready to go. Let's say I want to post something about the future of autonomous driving. I can then choose my tone of voice and hit generate post. And just like that, you've got a fully crafted post, complete with eye-catching emojis and relevant hashtags, ready to share on LinkedIn or any other platform you prefer. Now, here's the YouTube chat summarizer. Just drop in a video link and you can instantly chat with AI to get concise summaries of the content. It saves so much time if you're trying to digest information quickly. But what I use the most is the AI sidebar. Let's take a look. The AI sidebar is right at your fingertips, making it easy to access all the AI magic without flipping through tabs. Check this out. Imagine you're scrolling through a long article on a website. Instead, you can use the AI sidebar to summarize and quickly extract the key points in seconds. And finally, let's see how Nily helps me with emails. Opening Gmail here. See this email? With a simple click on the Nily button below, I can generate a smart reply in seconds. To recap, with Nily, you're getting access to all the major LLMs such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, Mistral, Perplexity, Claude, which would typically cost you around $100 a month, all bundled into one affordable subscription. And with features like Compare LLM results and the convenient AI sidebar, it's a powerhouse tool for anyone looking to harness AI across the web without the hassle. Thanks again for watching. If you're keen to boost your productivity with AI, give Nily a try. Happy browsing.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for Lifetime Deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.